Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh man. Yeah, I took that tensioner out of there and kind of went nom nom on some of the tensioner pieces. It's a little gear shaped there. I think this one is gear shaped also. Yep. Yup. There's some pieces. Yup. What's going on here? Is that one of those summer teeth? Summer teeth and some aren't. Oh yeah.
I hate Tom's too.
Yup.
It just smells so flowery. Like we're good at your flower shop. You don't need to remind us.
No matter how hard you work for your small business, online reviewers will find something to complain about.
Yup.
They don't sell fake plants. Thanks for nothing, Tom.
And while Progressive can't save you from these trolls, we...
Bye-bye, crack pipe. Yeah. For sure, man. That was the leak. That freaking gasket. Puking everywhere. Like, freaking everywhere. Wah. Kinda freaking cleaned up mint. Hell yeah, dude. Fitting there perfect, man. Spotless. I got the oil cooler back in and I got the crack pipe in there. Or the non-crack pipe. Yeah. Good to go to start on the chains probably here in a minute. Or 3 or 10. This stuff is so nice, man. Check it out. It flows right out. Like, man, stuff's mint. I forgot how good this stuff is, man. Okay. Got the cover on and all torqued up, man. Good to go. Yeah. It's good. Threw new seal in there while I was at it. Yeah, man. For the kind of money it was, you'd think, you know, you slap a little clear on it, so I'll just bake the crap out of it for a minute so I can throw this thing on here in a second. Oh, yeah, no wonder why I tried to, you know, pick the damn thing up out of there. Thought it felt a little warm there, you know. Yeah, no wonder why I couldn't pick the sumbitch up.